Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to download any app in the PC, then watch this video. So the first thing I will do is download the apps through the Microsoft Store. So you'll find most of the apps here, be it VLC or for example, you can say Office. Any frequently used app is available on the Microsoft Store. So this is one easy way to do it. Now, what if the app is not available on the Microsoft Store? Say, for example, I will say the Netflix app. Okay, that's available. What if I say the Disney app? I want to download it. Okay. Okay, Disney Plus is there. Disney Hotstar is not there. All right. Let's take any app that is not available on Windows Store. Now, for that, I need to open my Microsoft Edge browser and I will go to the site of the app I want to download, say Disney Hotstar. All right, and I will go to the site and then just like magic, which is available only on the Microsoft Edge browser, click on the three buttons, look for apps and then click on download apps and you will get this app here and you can open this app as you can see and it will open in a completely different avatar and you can watch the videos or you can do anything you want to do on the app. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.